In this video, I want to show you how to use the objective section in the syllabus right here. It's under the what you'll learn. Now, you can call these, we have just titled this objectives, but these may be your learning outcomes. These may be, you can title it a variety of different things internally. This will be the only heading that you'll have, though, options objectives. Now, what you can add here, as you can see, is you've got these objectives, and then you have this ability to add sub-objectives. So these are ones who are tied to the objectives. So this might be objective 1. I'm just going to put something here. And I'm going to show you some things, and this is the sub-objective 1A. Now, why these are really important is that the way the system is set up is these objectives, when you go to start building your course and you're over here in your content, these objectives can be tied to big pieces of information like in your content. But the key is these sub-objectives can be tied specifically to test questions, so that when a student takes a test and they miss something, you will see exactly what sub-objective that they have failed to understand. So it is important to think through which objectives you have and what sub-objectives and how much you want your test questions to tie to those. Now, there are several ways that you can actually build this section. The basic one is where you just are adding each one individually. So you can say, here's objective 2, and you can just come through and then each one and just, build it that way. That takes a little bit more time. So we have the option of doing something here with this generate. So here's your AI option. And this is one thing. So let's say, now you come here, it says generate objectives based on a prompt. You can upload a document, an outline, or a lesson plan. I'm going to show you 2 ways you can do this. So I'm going to start off uploading this right here in this document is just 4 objectives. So this is like, I already have my objectives. I already have this. I just want to enter them all at once. And then your prompt, you have to put this is generate these objectives. And when you do that and you hit the generate, give it a little time. And then here you are, right there are the 4 that you already have. You have to accept them. And then give it a second, and there it is. It has built your objectives immediately into the course. This is really nice if you already have a syllabus, you already have your objectives, so you can upload that document and it'll build it all at once. Now you do have to, though, if you want the sub-objectives, you still have to come in here and you have to enter these, as for right now, you enter these just individually by hand. Now there is another way that you can do something. Let's say you can say here, you can upload a document, an outline, or a lesson plan. So now I'm going to say I don't have objectives, I just have a lesson plan. So in this particular one, I have a lesson plan. This one is about leadership. And I'm going to ask it to read this. I'm going to ask the AI to read that lesson plan and generate 2 objectives from this lesson plan. So it's reading the lesson plan and it's figuring out, it's giving you some 2 main ones. And there it gives you some ideas that you might want to say. It's like, okay, I see these, I accept those. And there they are. They're already entered into, here we go, right there. They're entered now into the course. So you have 3 ways of entering objectives. 1, manually loading them. 2, using that the generate and then just sending in all of them at once. Or 3, giving a table of contents, giving a lesson plan, and asking it to read and generate from that point, and then you accept. So that's how you use this objective section. Now remember, you can always erase anything. So here we don't like this one, so we'll get rid of it. We just remove it. We can remove it again. This downward just shows you if there is anything that's been built here. This one just builds more options for you on the sub-objectives. And again, you can get rid of any of these by just using that. Remember to save all the time or it's not going to be there. All right, that's it.